Did you know that the way you clean or don't clean could be silently inviting bad luck and misfortune into your home? In fact, certain neglected corners, forgotten tasks, and overlooked routines might be the hidden reasons for stagnant energy, lost opportunities, and even financial struggles. Intrigued? You're about to discover some surprising cleaning mistakes that many of us make, often without realizing the consequences. For centuries, different cultures have believed that a clean home attracts positive energy, abundance, and success. But it's not just about keeping things tidy. It's about avoiding certain habits that could actually block that flow of good fortune. In today's video, we'll dive into 10 common cleaning oversights that might be costing you peace, prosperity, and progress. From forgotten spots that trap negativity to simple fixes that invite harmony, each mistake we'll uncover could be the key to transforming your living space into one that radiates positivity. Stick around to the end to ensure you're not making any of these mistakes, and learn how small adjustments can make a big difference in attracting good energy into your life. Welcome to Tranquility Vision, where we explore the secrets to creating a balanced, peaceful home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more insightful content that brings positivity and peace right to your doorstep. Now let's get started. Before we talk about the common cleaning mistakes we all know, let's first address something often overlooked: the hidden corners and spaces in our homes. You might be surprised to learn that these small neglected areas, like the spaces behind furniture and those hard-to-reach corners, aren't just dust collectors. Many traditions believe that these spots, if left uncleaned, can actually trap negative energy over time. Think about it. As dust and clutter accumulate, they create a stagnant, heavy atmosphere that can start to affect the energy flow in your home. This isn't just about appearance, it's about the feeling a space holds. A dusty corner can feel like a forgotten corner, almost as if it's holding on to things that need to be cleared out, both physically and energetically. So, next time you're cleaning, make it a habit to get to those hidden spots. Moving the couch, shifting that cabinet, or even dusting behind the curtains can make a world of difference. It refreshes the space, keeps the energy moving, and contributes to a lighter, more inviting home environment. Before we talk about the deeper spaces within the home, let's pause for a moment at the very place where energy first enters: the doorway. Imagine coming home and immediately stepping over shoes, bags, or scattered items just to get inside. Not only is it inconvenient, but in many traditions, it's believed that cluttered entrances actually disrupt the flow of positive energy, almost like a blockage right at the gate. Entryways are often seen as symbolic gateways, channels through which opportunity, good fortune, and fresh energy enter our homes. When shoes, bags, and other clutter pile up, they create a barrier, almost like a roadblock for these positive elements. And over time, that neglected entryway can start to feel heavy, affecting the mood and energy in the entire house. A simple shift here can make a huge difference. Keeping this area clear, organized, and inviting signals that your home is open to new opportunities and a flow of positive energy. Try designating a spot for shoes or bags so the doorway stays clutter-free. This small habit can transform the way your home feels from the moment you step inside. Before we talk about the larger spaces in our homes, let's consider a spot that often gets overlooked by the end of the day: the kitchen sink. Think about those times when it's late, and it feels easier to just leave the dishes until morning. It seems harmless, but many believe that letting dirty dishes sit overnight invites not only mess, but stagnant, negative energy that can linger. The kitchen, after all, is more than just a place to cook. It's considered the heart of the home and a symbol of nourishment and prosperity. When dishes are left dirty, it's as if the space is left unfinished, harboring bits of the day's energy and keeping it from refreshing for the next. This buildup can affect not only the overall energy, but also potentially impact the household's health and prosperity over time. So, rather than letting dishes pile up, try making it a habit to clean up the kitchen each night. It doesn't have to be spotless, but clearing the dishes brings a sense of completion. And when you wake up to a clean sink in the morning, the whole day starts on a lighter, fresher note. Before we talk about the things we bring into our homes, let's focus on something we often look through: windows and mirrors. It's easy to overlook a bit of dust on these surfaces, thinking it's a minor detail. But in many traditions, windows are considered gateways for opportunities, while mirrors are known to amplify the energy in a room. When they're dirty or streaky, it's almost as if they're distorting or blocking this flow. Imagine looking out of a dusty window. It's harder to see clearly, and that foggy view symbolizes a barrier to seeing life's opportunities. Mirrors, on the other hand, reflect the energy of a space. When they're clean and clear, they enhance positivity and clarity. But if they're dusty or streaky, they can start to reflect a dull, stagnant energy back into the room. To keep energy moving freely, make it a habit to clean windows and mirrors regularly. A quick wipe down can invite a sense of clarity and openness, allowing the space to feel brighter and more welcoming. By doing so, you're keeping pathways open for fresh ideas and new opportunities. Before we talk about the other rooms we spend time in, let's take a moment to consider one of the most essential yet often overlooked spaces: the bathroom. While we usually think of it purely as a place for physical hygiene, many traditions view the bathroom as a space for cleansing away not only physical impurities, but also negative energies. When this area, especially the toilet, is neglected, it can start to hold on to unwanted energy instead of helping to release it. Think about it. Bathrooms are where we wash away the day's stress and buildup, and if they're left unclean, they can end up trapping that very energy. A grimy toilet or sink may not seem like a big deal, but it can create a stagnant feeling that lingers in the home, affecting the overall atmosphere. To maintain a balanced, fresh energy flow, it's important to clean the bathroom regularly, paying special attention to details. Using air fresheners or even natural scents can uplift the space and keep it feeling bright and refreshing. Just a little regular maintenance in the bathroom can go a long way in ensuring that it remains a space of renewal and positivity. Before we talk about the more specific cleaning routines, let's address something broader yet equally impactful: clutter. It's easy to accumulate things over time: old papers, unused items, that random drawer full of just-in-case objects. While these things may seem harmless, clutter is often seen as a sign of stagnation, a buildup of old energy that can actually block the flow of new, fresh opportunities. When items pile up with no clear purpose, it's as if they're holding on to an energy that's no longer useful. This stagnant atmosphere can lead to feelings of being stuck or weighed down, and in some beliefs, it's thought to even create financial blockages. Imagine trying to bring new energy into a space already packed to the brim. There's simply no room for growth or change. To keep energy flowing freely, regular decluttering can work wonders. Whether it's a small drawer or an entire room, taking a few minutes to clear out unused items can refresh the space and make it feel open and inviting. Decluttering is like clearing a path, making room for positivity and opportunities to find their way into your life. Before we talk about the impact of food choices on our well-being, let's focus on a space that plays a crucial role in our lives: the kitchen. It's easy to overlook the little spills and crumbs that accumulate during meal prep, especially after a long day. But in many cultures, kitchens are seen as the heart of the home, closely connected to wealth and prosperity. Neglecting this vital space can have a significant impact on the abundance flowing into our lives. Picture this. You've just cooked a wonderful meal, but the countertops are messy and the floor is scattered with crumbs. When we leave food spills unattended, it not only invites pests, but can also create a stagnant atmosphere that can affect the energy of the entire home. A cluttered kitchen can feel chaotic, blocking the positive energy needed for both nourishment and prosperity. To maintain that positive flow, it's essential to clean up immediately after cooking. Wiping down surfaces and sweeping the floor regularly can make a world of difference. Keeping the kitchen organized not only enhances its appearance, but also fosters a sense of calm and readiness, allowing the energy of abundance to thrive. Before we talk about the finishing touches that enhance our spaces, let's consider an often overlooked area: underneath furniture and rugs. It's easy to forget about the dust bunnies that accumulate under the sofa, or the hidden crumbs that find their way under the bed. These neglected spots can trap dust and stagnant energy, creating an atmosphere that disrupts the overall harmony of the home. When we ignore these hidden areas, it's as if we're allowing negativity to linger, impacting the mood and flow of energy throughout our living spaces. Over time, this buildup can create a sense of heaviness that permeates the entire room, making it feel less inviting and more cluttered than it truly is. To encourage a vibrant, positive energy flow, it's beneficial to move furniture occasionally and clean underneath. This simple act can dramatically shift the energy in a room, allowing fresh air and energy to circulate freely. A quick sweep or vacuum under your furniture not only clears away dust, but also refreshes the entire space, bringing back a sense of lightness and harmony. Before we talk about the importance of mindful disposal, let's address a crucial aspect of our daily lives: managing trash. It's all too easy to let garbage pile up inside the home, whether it's from takeout containers, packaging, or old items we no longer need. However, in many cultures, garbage is seen as a magnet for negative energy. Keeping trash around can attract misfortune and even affect our health. Imagine entering a room filled with lingering odors and cluttered trash bins. This environment can create a sense of unease, making it difficult for positive energy to flow freely. Over time, this buildup can lead to not only a cluttered space but also a cluttered mind, where negativity thrives and good fortune feels distant. To combat this, it's essential to take out the trash regularly and keep bins clean. Make it a habit to dispose of waste daily, ensuring that your living spaces remain fresh and inviting. By keeping garbage out of sight, you're not just maintaining cleanliness, you're also creating a sanctuary that welcomes positivity and good health into your life. Before we talk about how to enhance the overall atmosphere of our homes, let's focus on a simple yet powerful factor: natural light and ventilation. Many people forget to open their windows or allow sunlight to stream in, which can lead to stale air and a darkened environment. This lack of fresh air and light can create a heavy atmosphere, impacting our mood and productivity. Think about how you feel in a room that's stuffy and dimly lit. It can make the space feel closed off and uninviting, blocking the flow of positive energy. When we neglect to bring in natural light, we also miss out on the energizing effects that sunlight has on our well-being. Darkness and stale air can lead to feelings of lethargy and sadness, creating an environment that feels stagnant and unmotivated. To invite fresh energy into your home, make it a daily practice to open your windows. Letting in the breeze not only refreshes the air but also encourages circulation, helping to uplift the overall vibe of the space. Allow sunlight to pour in, cleansing the area and brightening your mood. This simple act can transform your home into a haven of positivity, where good energy flows freely and inspires a sense of joy and productivity. As we wrap up, it's clear that these small but impactful changes can significantly enhance the energy within our homes. By being mindful of our cleaning habits, we can create a positive and prosperous environment that nurtures both our well-being and fortune. Each of these practices is simple to adopt, and implementing just one can set the stage for a more harmonious living space. Transforms the energy in your home. You might be surprised by the positive changes that follow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel, Tranquility Visions, for more insights on creating a peaceful and prosperous life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.